Guys, it's golden gay time. Yep. You so? You so? So hey guys, I'm in Central Station around right here. It's a wonderful evening, I would say. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for a train to go to Melbourne from now on. Yeah. That, look at that, nice, interesting vending machine. Just outside the place where I dropped my money. So yeah, let's see what we can get. Oh, snacks. Snacks is cool. We should get some snacks. Definitely. Oh, they even have some good stuff for you to charge your phone and stuff. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna get that weird vanilla optical kind of thing. So yeah. This is so cool. So let's drink some milky. Up and go. Up and go. That's the train. This will be the train. First class sleeper. Yeah. They should have like some kind of big something, but I'm not sure. But no. We're gonna see how. So yeah, inside the place. Yeah, they do provide us with something like this. You see, it's like some snacks, some sit, and then I think you have to put it down for the bed. So this is most front. This is where our place is. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Can't really see much, but they have like storage on top, and a mirror for you, holder, some tables, and that's some kind of bed that you have to put it down, and it will become a bunk bed. So night lights and stuff. So yeah. I'm sorry about the video just now, it's like a bit dark, but I changed my device and now it's a bit bright, as now you can see. Yeah, top there you can put your baggage, and then we've got like some kind of nice table. There's a garbage bin down there, and then like a mirror, place for you to actually hang your clothes or your jackets, and they got like two big giant ass room for you, like you can keep stuff there. Yep. So yeah, what they actually gave us, I don't know, maybe I can try and open it up and see what we have in here. A popcorn, sea salt, some kind of biscuits, and then we got a refresher towel. So yeah, this is a tissue kind of thing. It's a wet tissue. And then I got my tomato chutney with my drinks, which is cool. And I also did order some dinner, some hot food that they have. So I would say it's cool that I ordered a lamb roast kind of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna eat that. Totally. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for them to announce that the lamb roast is ready, and so that we can go at the back to the place to actually collect it. So yeah, so that's what we need. It's a very weird plastic too. I think it's like all the stuff inside. So let's try to open this. So we try to open this. So this is what they have. Oh, they have some earplugs. Not bad. Earplug. Some kind of nice thing. comb, toothbrush, hair thingy, shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. I think that'll be all. But this is a very cool cup. Open it up, and you can make it into a cup. Isn't that cool? Not bad. Yeah, keep it. We can keep it. Yeah. The food is here. This is my lamb roast, and I don't know what is this, but it's some kind of bread. I think. And I got myself a Coke. So I think it's a decent kind of meal that you can get in a train. Let me open this up and show you. Okay, my lamb looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna open this up. So some lamb. Looks soft, looks good, looks great. Need some potato, and then we got some peas and carrots, which is so healthy, so good. So let's go and get some carrots and peas. Looks good. Now get some potato. Potato should be fine. Potato. Look at it. It's so hot. You can see that. Ooh. Oh, the potato is amazing. It's so tender. It's just so soft. Boiled into the. It's just so soft. I don't know how to express myself anymore. I mean, it's just so soft. And here's the main thing, the meat. Take a look at that. It looks so greasy, so fat, but yet in the same time, it's so soft, so tasty, so like. Just bite it. Oh, it's so tender. It's super tender. That and then with the last go of a Coke. It's so good. Yeah. That's the one, guys. Guys, so they just passed out some toast and some hot drinks, and before that they pass out some like fruit juice, thing like this, like fruit juice, like some apples, some milk, some flakes. Yeah, we got cereal, we got this, we got that. I mean, it's a very lot of food in the morning, which I don't really eat that much in the morning, but yeah, why not, right? It's a kind of like a thing. Yeah. Hey guys, you can see my morning hair and everything. Cool. So hey guys, we have reached the station, and so now we're going to head out, I guess. So yeah, I will see you guys later. I don't know, the station is so big. So big. And in Melbourne right now, you got some unknown buildings. Just outside the Southern thingy place, and Southern Cross Station. Yeah, that's the name. We are waiting for my uncle to bring me my I'm not bringing mine. No. I'm waiting for my uncle to bring the car here so that we can put all the stuff, my mom's wheelchair and some baggage into the car. So it's gonna be cool. Oh, they got a tram there. That's nice. And so yeah.
Like casino like that.
La porchetta. I don't know. So weird. Pac-Man device here. So old, so retro. That. Sorry about that. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, this is interesting. Like regional.
How do they cook it?
It's regional and we got all the regions from here. This is so cool. Take a look at that. It's like Italian sausage from Puglia.
It's very nice. I do like it. That's what I'm getting at.
Interesting. Yep, it looks so good.
You can
Cheese. What is that?
This is sorry, chicken avocado.
Chicken avocado. It does look like chicken. Okay. Chicken. Oh, cool. Thanks. So yeah. And I go with some house wine. It's great. Digging into that carbonara. Is it carbonara? Carbonara.
Thank you.
Carbonara. Ooh. Milky. Yeah, splitting up some food for me.
Actually, you know what?
It's cool. Let's try
I
this.
think it's not that big because the
Avocado chicken. Oh, it's good.
Just like desert missing the rain, I really wanna meet you now, but I know that I can't. 何をしてもお前はin my head. どこにいてもそこでお前のハイ、yeah. Just like desert